In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your restricted Facebook ad account. I'll be showing you exactly what I did to recover my ad account that was restricted. Now you can see on 18th of December 2024, I got a message that my ad account has been restricted. So I had to recover it. On the 19th of December 2024, my ad account was recovered. Can you see? It says we have reinstated your access. So I'm going to show you the exact process, what I did to recover my restricted Facebook ad account. At times, you cannot tell what you actually did to cause the restriction. There are so many reasons that can cause the restriction. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your restricted ad account. And in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you the possible things you should do to avoid your ad account being restricted. So let's get into the step-by-step guide. So the first thing I did was to log into my Facebook account, and I went to my Facebook Ads Manager. Now you can see I saw a red notice saying that your account violated one or more of our advertising policies. So what I did was that, first of all, I deleted the last Facebook ad that I ran. In case it is the cause of it, I deleted the last Facebook ad that I ran. Then here says you can verify your account and request for a review. So after doing that, I clicked on request a review. When I clicked on request a review, it brought me to my ad account overview. Or you can just go to your Facebook ad account overview. Then you're going to see the number of days you have to request a review. So quickly, I clicked on request a review. So when I clicked on request a review, I was asked to upload a selfie. So immediately I uploaded my picture. Then I clicked on continue after uploading my picture. And I was told that they will get back to me within 4 days. Then I clicked on done. So after I clicked on done, it says you will hear back from us within 48 hours. Then I clicked on close. As you can see here, the action has been taken. I have actually uploaded my photo for facial verification. In your own case, they may ask you to upload an ID, all right? And to do that, make sure that the age that is in your Facebook ad account and the name in your Facebook ad account matches with the ID that you're about to upload. But if they ask you to upload only your photo, then you can go ahead and take a headshot, a good headshot of yourself. Make sure that your 2 ears are showing and is a good headshot. Then you upload it. So after I uploaded it, I closed it, and I was about waiting for 48 hours, but it didn't take up to 48 hours. I was told that my account has been reinstated. You can see it here. My account was reinstated. You can see on the 18th of December 2024, this is around 11 p.m. I got their notice. Then the next day, around 1 p.m., when I appealed for it, it was reinstated. So this is how you can restore your Facebook ad account that is restricted. There are other possible ways you can use to recover your Facebook ad account that is restricted or suspended. And I'm going to share the other possible ways as occasion permits. If you're having any difficulty with this step I just explained, drop a comment in this video. I'm going to respond to you. You can as well join our support group, an open support group. Check the link in the description area of this video. Join the open support group and you will get support from us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.